elongate our last presenter, his lecture, his presentation show his research from Ukraine, Dr. Shirihi Pornyak. From his title is management. He's associate professor of applied ecology from Ukraine. Management. His title is management of agroecosystems around an industrial city for the production of environmentally friendly milk and features of heavy metal excretion in dairy cow with the use of spatial antidote substance. I welcome Dr. Shiri for his presentation.
Thank you very much, Professor. Good day. My name is Portyannik Serhiy. 1 minute, my presentation. Okay, I would like to briefly share with you the result of our research on the topic management of agroecosystems around an industrial city for the production of environmentally friendly milk, ecological safety milk, and the future of heavy metal extraction in dairy cows with use of special antidote substance. I am short. The strange ecological situation has developed today in agroecosystems. Agroecosystems around industrial cities in almost all countries of the world. They are subject to increased anthropogenic pressure as a result of the use of agrochemical and pollution emissions from industrial enterprises. Heavy metals, cadmium and lead represent the greatest ecological threat to ecosystems. In such an ecological situation, the risk of xenobiotics entering the milk and its contamination by forage matter significantly increases. They migrate easily in the components of the biosphere through trophic chains entering the organism of farm animals, includes dairy cows, which negatively affects their host ecological safety, quality of manufactured milk and human food. In 4 farms located around the industrial city, scientific and economic experiment were carried out on feeding cows with a specially developed, adapted to the actual diets of feeding mineral vitamin premix, MPA, and substance injection of biological active preparation BP9 to enhance the extraction of urinary heavy metals, cadmium, lead, copper, zinc, and ensuring the production of high quality environmentally sound milk. In plants grown in farm feeds that were parts of the cow's diet, high levels of cadmium, lead, copper, and zinc were detected. Jetting into the body toxicants from the gastrointestinal tract are absorbed into the blood, sprayed around the body, accumulated in organs and tissues, pass into urine and milk. The accumulated of cadmium in the blood of test cows in control groups was average from 77.94 to 101.20 nanomole per liter. Load from 40.63 to 80.32 micromole per liter. The transfer of cadmium from blood to urine was on average 1.7 to 2.0%, load 5.4 to 7.3%. Elimination of heavy metal data from the body through the kindness with urine is negligible and without the use of additional agents is unlikely. Picture number 1, position A and B analysis result of the distribution of the studied parameters, cadmium in the blood and urine as Shapiro-Wilk test. Picture number 2, the value of the error P for the null hypothesis that the content of cadmium in the blood and urine of cows in different test groups does not different. In our case, P less 0.05. The studied groups are statistically significantly different from each other are given. Picture 3 show indicators of described statistic. Picture 3, position A and B describe statistic of the studies indicators, asymmetrics, mean, standard deviation, median. 3 first, 2 group, 3 group, and other quartile low, quartile up, quartiles, and other cadmium contents in blood and urine of cows of 3 experimental groups with silage root tip of feeding. For picture diagram of main values and quartile diagram of cadmium content in blood of cows of 3 experimental group with silage root crops tip of feeding. And picture number 5 diagram of mean values and quartile diagram of cadmium content in urine of cows of 3 experimental groups with silage root crops tip feeding. Table number 3 mineral elements in milk cows, animal feeding tip silage root, silage hay lage concentration, and 3 group, first group control and 2 and 3 group experimental. The applied antidote substance contribution to the extensible of heavy metal extermination from the body of animal and the restorated of its homeostasis. In other experimental groups of cows, the transfer of cadmium from blood to urine average 3.9 to 9.5%. Load 37.7 to 103.5%. Respectively, in the search from 7.1 to 12.7% cadmium and 70.7 to 144.1% load. The combined effect of the antitoxic premix and the biopreparation in the search experimental group of cows give better result of the removal of toxic element from the body. Enhanced extraction of pollution can serve as proof of their high content in the body. The extraction of heavy metals in the urine of cows reflected the level of loading of the body that is caused by the eating of feed from the excess of investigated elements. Conclusion, the premix and biopreparation developed blockaded absorption of the pollutions in the gastrointestinal tract, strengthened the protective effect of the intoxicated organism and facilitated the elimination of heavy metals with urine. For such a number of migration activities of lead, copper, zinc, and cadmium have positively influenced the renal elimination of the excess of essential elements of copper and zinc, not worsening the health of cows, but rather restoring homeostasis, improving the quality and ecological safety of the product milk. Future research is aimed at developing more effective anti-nutritional substances. Thank you for attention, and thank you very much, Dr. Hasrat and Professor Said Hafizur Rahman, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for your nice presentation. With this
I am sorry for my English. My native Ukraine is in Russia. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm also sorry because this English is not my mother tongue as well. So I could not spell your name properly. I'm sorry for that as well. Thank you very much. Thank you, Professor, for your research. Yep.